This is the whole set turbo actuator used for HE351 turbos on 6.7 liter Cummins engines. We've seen many truck owners dealing with various issues with this part. So today we're diving into the common symptoms of a failed actuator and showing you the best way to get your vehicle back on the road that's both fast and reliable. These turbo actuators were used in Dodge, Ford, and Freightliner trucks from 2007 to 2012 with the 6.7 liter Cummins engine. The most common symptoms of turbo actuator failure are the exhaust brake not functioning, codes U010C, P00AF, and P003A, as well as a lack of engine power, rough acceleration, and diminished fuel economy. These issues can cause a frustrating driving experience, and continuing to drive with a bad actuator can lead to more costly repairs and safety issues. At Circuit Board Medics, we remanufacture HE351 actuators to exceed the original specifications both electronically and mechanically. This option not only offers significant savings compared to a brand new part, but it's been field tested to perform dependably, giving you peace of mind that is built to last. After the rebuild, each unit is fully tested before it leaves our facility. Anytime a turbo actuator is removed from the vehicle, it needs to be calibrated upon reinstallation. Calibration can be performed with any standard capable tool, including Cummins Insight, Wholeset E-Tool, and various Snap-on, Matco, and Autel tools. For those without access to these expensive options, we offer an optional calibration tool in the shipment of your actuator for an additional rental fee. The calibration tool allows you to complete the entire installation process without a trip to the dealer or a mechanic. Additionally, unlike other calibration procedures, our calibration tool will not require any changes to your custom tuning. The tool will guide you step by step through the procedure to make calibration fast and simple. If you're in need of a high-quality, affordable actuator replacement, you can find your exact part at circuitboardmedics.com. Our actuators include the installation kit and gaskets for your turbo and ship out the same day as the order is placed, so you'll have everything you need to get back up and running quickly. If you have any questions about turbo actuators or would like help diagnosing or troubleshooting your vehicle, you can browse our site for more information or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.